Welcome to NIOS. Lesson number 27, and the topic is The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. It's a part 3. I will explain some question. I had already explained the story. You can understand the story and give the answer. And I hope you all are understand clearly. Now start the question number 1. The question number 1 is, where was the parakeet's cage kept? Question number 2. Where did Aunt Ruby get the parakeet from? Question number 3. Why did Aunt Ruby become hostile towards the parakeet? Question number 4. What did the nephew give the parrot to eat? Question number 5. Name all the birds mentioned in the story. Question number 6. Why did Aunt Ruby get the bird? Question number 7. Do you know and think Aunt Ruby's method of teaching the parrot was correct? Is it? Question number 8. Was the parrot happy in his cage? Question number 9. Do you think the decision to leave the cage open was right? Question number 10. Why did Aunt Ruby taunt the bird? Why she taunt? Question number 11. Why did the parrot refuse to talk? Question number 12. What did Aunt Ruby say to the parrot? Question number 13. What did the bird catcher do? Question number 14. When did the writer release the bird? Question 15. What new pet did Aunt Ruby get? Question 16. What happened a few days after The bird escaped. What happened? Question number 17. Why did the parrot come back to the house? Question 18. What did Aunt Ruby say when she saw her bird after it came back? Question 19. What did the parrot do when it saw Aunt Ruby? Question 20. Did the parrot run away again? Question 21. What did the parrot do when it visited the veranda? Question 22. Who is the author of the chapter? Question 23. How old was the author during this accident? Thank you.